Hey there. Today we're going to dive into 20 genius travel hacks that will transform the way you travel forever. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time explorer, these tips are guaranteed to make your journeys smoother, more enjoyable, and a whole lot cheaper. So let's roll, don't fold, you heard that right. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a game changer for packing. No more fighting with stubborn shirt creases or wasting space with bulky folds. Rolling keeps your clothes wrinkle-free and compact, maximizing your suitcase space. Plus, it's a whole lot quicker. When you need to unpack at your destination, simply unroll and voila, instant organization. So ditch the ironing board and embrace the roll. Your wardrobe will thank you. Download Google Maps offline. Gone are the days of getting lost or relying on unreliable maps. Google Maps has a fantastic feature that lets you download maps for offline use. Choose the area you want to explore, zoom in, and select the download button. This way you can navigate like a pro even without an internet connection. It's a lifesaver for day trips, public transportation, or simply exploring new cities. So before your next trip, download some maps and be the explorer you were born to be. Keep chargers in a glasses case. This one's a real game changer for tech travelers. Instead of having your cords and chargers floating around your bag, keep them organized and tangle-free by putting them in a glasses case. Not only does this keep your tech gear safe, but it also prevents those frustrating tangles that always seem to happen with loose cables. Plus, it's a clever way to keep your chargers easily accessible when you need them. So next time you pack, give this hack a try and say goodbye to chaotic cords. Always carry a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated on the go just got easier and more eco-friendly. Instead of buying single-use plastic bottles, invest in a good quality reusable water bottle. Not only will you reduce plastic waste, but you'll also save money on expensive bottled water. And here's an insider tip. Fill up your bottle at your accommodation or public fountains to save even more cash. So ditch the disposables and embrace the reusable. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Use ATMs instead of currency exchange. Here's a money-saving hack that can make a big difference on your travels. Instead of exchanging currency at airports or hotels, withdraw cash from local ATMs. Not only is it usually cheaper, but it's also incredibly convenient. Just be sure to check with your bank beforehand about fees and withdrawal limits. So do yourself a favor and skip the exchange counters. Your wallet will be glad you did. Mark your bag as fragile. Fragile means handle with care, which is exactly what you want for your precious luggage. If you're not checking a bag, consider putting a few items in a clear plastic bag and marking it as fragile. This simple act can prevent your bag from being tossed around roughly by airport staff. Plus, it serves as a gentle reminder for baggage handlers to treat your luggage with care. So before you check in, give your bag a little love and protection. Keep a scanned copy of your passport. It's a lifesaver if your passport gets lost, stolen, or damaged while traveling. Keep a scanned copy of your passport both electronically and physically. This way you have a backup form of identification if you encounter any issues. It can also expedite the process of getting a replacement passport through the proper channels. So don't leave home without a digital or physical copy of your passport. Your future self will thank you. Use incognito mode when booking flights. Here's a sneaky way to find better flight deals. Use incognito mode when searching for flights online. Airlines and travel websites often track your search history and IP address to determine pricing. By using incognito mode, you can avoid revealing your location and browsing history, potentially leading to lower fares. So before you book that next flight, open an incognito window and see if you can snag a better deal. Flip your neck pillow around. Neck pillows can be a traveler's best friend, but they don't have to be just for your neck. When you flip it around, it becomes an excellent headrest for leaning against seats during long journeys. It's like having your own personal cushion for support. So why wait until your neck hurts to use it? Give your head some love too. Bring a mini power strip. Forget about fighting over outlets with a mini power strip. You'll be the hero of the hotel room, especially if you're traveling with friends or family. Having multiple outlets means everyone can charge their devices simultaneously, so no more waiting in line for a free outlet. With your own portable power station, you'll be the envy of the hotel. Binder clip for razor safety. This hack keeps your razor blade secure and prevents any accidental cuts while you're on the go. Simply attach the binder clip to your razor's handle and you're good to go. It's a small but thoughtful detail that adds a layer of safety to your daily grooming routine. So don't leave home without it. Shower caps for shoes. If you're staying in a hotel or Airbnb, protect your shoes from dirty floors with shower caps. They're cheap, lightweight, and effective. Just slip your shoes inside the cap and voila, instant shoe covers. So why bother with disposable shoe covers when you have a more sustainable and affordable option? TSA-friendly toiletry bag. Packing liquids for travel can be a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. Invest in a TSA-friendly toiletry bag. These bags have separate compartments for each liquid, making it easy to remove them for security checks. Plus, they're reusable, saving you from using single-use plastic bags. So upgrade your toiletry game and streamline your travel experience. Use Google Translate camera. Google Translate now has a built-in camera feature that can translate signs, menus, and labels in real time. It's like having a personal translator in your pocket. Say goodbye to struggling with language barriers and hello to seamless travel. Just open the app, point your phone at the text, and bam, instant translation. Always carry a pen. Pens might seem like a mundane item, but they're surprisingly useful when you're on the road. From filling out customs forms to writing down local recommendations, a pen is always handy to have. Plus, it's a quick and easy way to sign documents or complete surveys during your travels. So don't underestimate the power of a simple pen. A scarf will be your best travel tool. Scarves are not only stylish accessories, but they're also incredibly versatile when you're on the go. Use them as a beach cover-up, a makeshift pillowcase, a bag for wet clothes, or even a sling to keep your valuables close. Their compact size and lightweight nature make them easy to pack, and their endless uses will surprise you. So don't underestimate the power of a trusty scarf on your next trip. Split your money. When traveling to multiple countries or cities, avoid the hassle of exchanging currencies by splitting your money into different wallets. Keep one wallet with the local currency of each place you visit, and one wallet with your home country is currency for emergencies. This way you'll always have the right change and won't be caught off guard by fluctuating exchange rates. It's a simple hack with big results. Download entertainment beforehand. From podcasts to movies, downloading your entertainment options before you go can be a lifesaver. Long flights or layovers can sometimes be boring, but with your own entertainment downloaded onto your device, you'll never be left without something to keep you occupied. It's also a great way to pass the time during any unexpected delays. So before your next trip, download your favorite shows, music and podcasts, and enjoy the journey. Use Google Flights plus Skyscanner together. Finding the best flight deals can be time-consuming, but using Google Flights and Skyscanner together can speed up the process. Start by using Skyscanner to get an overview of prices, and then refine your search on Google Flights to find the exact fare. It's a dynamic duo that can help you find the best deals out there. So before you book that next flight, try this powerful combo. Ask for free hotel upgrades. When you're checking in at your hotel, ask the front desk if there are any free upgrades available. Hotels often have empty rooms and are willing to move guests to larger rooms to fill them up. As an added bonus, you might even get perks like free breakfast or Wi-Fi, so don't be afraid to ask. It only takes a few seconds and could result in a much better stay. And there you have it, 20 genius travel hacks that are sure to level up your travel game. From saving money on currency exchange to keeping your cords organized, these hacks are designed to make your journey smoother, more enjoyable, and more cost-effective. So next time you plan a trip, remember these travel tips. and make the most out of your adventure. Safe travels and happy exploring.